Hello children, very good morning children. Welcome to our EVS lecture and I hope that you all have done your exam well. Yes, सबने अच्छे से पेपर लिखा है. Fine. So now again we will start our chapter number 9 and our topic is MCQs. Okay, so I will explain you the exercise which I have given you to write in your notebook. So we will discuss this. The first question is MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice question. You have to choose one answer of the question and write. Okay. So our first is clothes made of wool keeps us. The clothes which is made up of wool. Wool we get from the sheep and we wear these woolen clothes in which season? In which season? Winter season. Okay. So our answer is warm. When you wear the woolen clothes you feel warm. Okay. Now question number 2. We get silk. From where we get the silk? We get silk from silkworm. It is one type of insects. Okay. And from that insects we get a silk. Third one is which one is a man-made fiber? So the man-made fiber is rayon. Why it is man-made fibers? Because the man-made fiber is prepared from different type of chemicals. Okay, अलग अलग केमिकल से ये फाइबर बना होता है and it is a very stronger and long lasting. So our answer is rayon. Because cotton we get from the plant, wool we get from the sheep. Okay, but the rayon is a man-made fiber. That's why our answer is rayon. Okay. Now true or false? We wear the clothes to cover our body. Answer is true. We wear the clothes to cover our body. Answer is true. Second number, we wear the same clothes in different seasons. हर एक सीजन में सेम टाइप के क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं? No. In summer we wear cotton clothes. In winter we wear woolen clothes. Yes. So different seasons we change our clothes. Third number, people in different countries wear the same clothes. No. अलग अलग जगह के लोग के अलग अलग टाइप के क्लोथ्स होते हैं. Okay. So our answer is false. We wear waterproof clothes in summer. Now this sentence is also wrong because we wear waterproof clothes in rainy season. जब rain होता है तभी हम waterproof clothes पहनते हैं. For example, raincoats, gumboots, because it is made up of plastic. तो जब हम रेनी सीजन में घर से बाहर जाते हैं at that time we wear a waterproof clothes. So in this sentence we wear waterproof clothes in summer, then our answer is false. Now match the following. Children, in match the following you have to write as I have written in this. Don't draw the line. बीच में लाइन ड्रॉ करके कोई मैच द फॉलोइंग नहीं लिखेगा. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट इज कॉटन. फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट द कॉटन? फ्रॉम कॉटन प्लांट. सी द कॉलम बी, देयर इज अ कॉटन प्लांट. सेकेंड इज डांसर. डांसर लोग कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं जब वो स्टेज पर डांस करते हैं? दे वेयर द कॉस्ट्यूम्स. हम लोग एनुअल फंक्शन में पहनते हैं ना. Yes, so it is known as costume. Third one is silk. Now from what is silk clothes? Silk clothes we wear in winter. हम ठंडी में भी सिल्क के कपड़े पहनते. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, ओके, कि मैम ने बोला था खाली वुलन भी पहनते और सिल्क क्लॉथ भी पहनते. सो सिल्क वी वेयर इन विंटर. सो 3 number आंसर इज डी. नाउ फोर्थ इज पुलिसमैन. POLICEMAN, पुलिसमैन. अब ये पुलिसमैन क्या पहनते हैं? यूनिफॉर्म. वेर यू सी ऑन द रोड, हम रोड में देखते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं ना, सी पुलिसमैन इज स्टैंडिंग. कैसे पता चलता है? फ्रॉम हिज यूनिफॉर्म. हम यूनिफॉर्म से हमें मालूम चल जाता है दैट ही इज़ अ पुलिसमैन. कैमल. फ्रॉम कैमल वी गेट लेदर. ओके, नाउ वंस अगेन रिपीट. कॉटन, प्लांट्स. डांसर, costume. Silk, winter. Policeman, uniform. Camel, leather. Okay, so this is your exercise you have to do in your notebook, okay, from new page. So today we revise MCQs, then we revise true or false and match the following. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to write all this thing in your notebook from new page. Okay dear, and before that you read the chapter once again. एक बार और chapter read करो और फिर इसके answers आपको notebook में लिखने के. Okay, so I hope that you all have understand this. Okay dear, so all of you take care of yourself and goodbye.